Alright, just received a package. The noise you're hearing is the TV. Let's cut into this one.
Welcome. Kick back, connect, stroll, smile, cheer, celebrate. Breathe easy weekend begins
Should I
with
do
hotels
this?
you can count on. We guarantee a great
It's open actually.
You don't pay. Closing Garden Inn.
How do I get my voice out there? All of my things that I buy at Vista Print sort of express my personality. Everything that I put out there has that quirky logo. I love it. It's just who I am, but also who my company is.
Your business is personal. Your marketing should reflect that. With Vistaprint, it will. Try 500 business cards starting at just $9.99 when you enter promo code TV500 at Vistaprint.com.
When you can take a piece and create it from scratch, it's pretty cool.
I will live the life of now with skin open. Olay Total Effects. Vitamin enriched to fight 7 signs of aging. In 4 weeks, skin
Oh, looky,
becomes 10
looky.
years younger. 7-in-1 and the world's #1.
My AK-47 airsoft gun is the
With Tampax Pearl, its built-in backup brake
paid that much for it.
leaks by channeling them back into the core, protecting you in a way no other tampon does. Tampax Pearl, now in pocket size for on the go.
Nothing is funnier than Carl being poked by a stick.
Okay.
I am that stick.
Get this out. Get the box away. This in there. Let's look at the box first. It's from YIKA, a Chinese company. Use 6mm BB bullets. Our company will not be responsible for any trouble caused by misusing or remodeling of the air gun. Well, the spotlight, infrared array, and laser. Do not shoot any human or animal. The best for ages 18 up. Let's rip over this. And there's Duke helping me. Hang on. Yeah. Static. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Ooh. This crap sample of bees which will practically jam your gun.
The shops here are run by nomadic tradesmen from India.
Atmosphere, you have music.
Oh, that smell is amazing.
Isn't that lovely? Have a little smell of this fresh.
Give an AK style stock.
While we're taking it all in, we follow our nose to this.
This is really one of my most favorite places.
Flashlight. Weighted stock. Strap.
Breathe deeply, and you inhale about every spice imaginable.
4 BBs.
If you're lucky, you get to help out.
The gun itself.
Them as well. This is as fresh as it comes.
Ooh, nice. All right.
Here. Me twice, especially when I see where we're going.
This place is world famous.
Oh, the smell is incredible. The Nanoleaf Apollo has been around for 3 decades, and it's renowned for its fish head curry. While much of what is on
I gotta say, I am impressed with the quality of this. We have high construction plastic that the stock on.
I'm gonna want to order a little bit of everything.
So
Get whatever you want. I'm gonna leave
I
you
love
in
this
charge.
guy. I love a man who leaves a woman to be in charge. Thank you.
Anita has been coming to this restaurant since she was a little girl.
We got the stock in place.
She was 7 years old. I think we're in good hands. Is the table going to be big enough? That's the only thing that I'm concerned with.
Magazine in place. Let's see what this strap looks like.
Which, by the way, is almost non-existent in Italy. You can hardly find a restaurant where you actually eat off banana leaf.
Really?
Yeah.
Banana leaves are very practical as plates. Clean to eat off of and eco-friendly. When the food comes, I'm ready. Or at least, I think I am.
Now, I would tell you to dig right in, but I'm gonna stop you. Did you wash your hands?
Thanks, Mom. Presto Cleano.
Okay. So, very good. So that's good to eat. As you know, India, you have to clean the hands, okay? Get rid of those. That's right. Thank you. Because you're gonna have to get your fingers all nice and yellow.
Now, what did you order?
I've ordered for you
Yeah,
this big, massive head.
yeah.
It's fish head curry, basically.
Spectacular.
Okay?
I've had fish head curry in a lot of places, but Anita lets me in on a secret. It originated in Singapore when an Indian chef noticed his Chinese clientele loved fish heads. He threw a few fish heads into his curry, and the rest is history. The fish used in banana leaf Apollo soup is an icon mera, which literally means red fish. It's a red snapper that's stewed in a thick curry with vegetables like okra, eggplant, and lots of spices. Oh, look at this.
This is what we're waiting for.
I am definitely impressed with the quality. Of course, you have them made in China.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. And I just want to make
They
sure.
were ridiculous ones tip.
And of course the cheeks.
Two side rails. So this was supposed to come with a laser.
You know, at the very end, you don't need it now. At the very end, we've got to have
The ice.
the eyes. You have to. Cheek for me, cheek for you.
Oh, yeah. A little rice, a little eggplant. Fantastic.
All right. I want to see your hand skills. And don't use your left hand, man. Use your right.
Jeez, the pressure. Mm. Oh,
Yes.
oh, yeah. That's fantastic. Now I know what all the fuss is about. The quality is amazing, and the flavor of the curry is spectacular. Anita has had this dish countless times before, but I have a little experience to share with her as well.
That's me.
So, and that's one of the best bites on the fish, and I always like to do a little dunk in that hot chili oil that floats on the top, and you just strip it down.
Nice. A little tongue.
A little tongue. And then, of course, the pièce de résistance, the eyeball.
Okay, so this is the thing.
Yes.
I've never eaten a fish eye before. Ever. Not even
Oh,
once.
I am very impressed. Here's the YIKA AK-47, model of the Kalashnikov, with your adjustable sight, your charging handle, the magazine. Take a look at the magazine real quick.
We see how the inside. Cheers, my friend.
Yoke, no, get.
Yeah, that's
Get.
Yeah, it's like
like a little bit of the liquory taste.
right?
Jelly-like, but it's really the liquid.
Exactly. Just goopy parts. It's easy to see why this is such a popular place. I'd come back for this bowl of soup in a heartbeat.
I have this feeling that in about 6 months' time, I'm going to walk into Banana Leaf Apollo and I'm going to see you in the corner.
At my table,
At your table.
using your house charge account.
That's right.
You know, stranger things have happened. My dear, thanks for a 4-star experience and a 10-star day.
You're welcome.
Seriously, you're the best. Coming up next, the mud crab, Singapore's national dish, or this strange oddity. Can't even imagine what this is. Then, later,
Well,
the bird is back. This time at a family feast. Don't worry, we don't eat the little guy.
light doesn't work. That's one thing.
Join me, Andrew Zimmern, on an all-new Bizarre Foods. I'm seeing it all, doing it all, and eating it all.
Yeah, but
Bizarre
slight
Foods
difference.
tonight at 9 on Travel Channel.
The box will show the black tip.
Or delivery.
Orange tip.
DiGiorno.
Black.
Or delivery.
Orange.
Taste for yourself.
And this concludes my review of the AK-47. It is a really good gun.
It's not delivery. It's DiGiorno. When you're
I'm truly impressed. I think I might shoot it off.
It means you can also afford to get up to 50%
Well,
epic rides, making it the place to find a place for summer escapes.
I'm going now. Hurrah!